Every Rolex begins with exceptional materials: 4L oyster steel, precious metals, sapphire crystal, and precision components chosen. Rolex melts and reshapes premium 904L oyster steel into precision bars, creating an exceptionally corrosion-resistant metal. How can one solid block of steel become a luxury Rolex case? Precision CNC machines carve every curve, lug, and opening with that brilliant Rolex shine. Isn't paint, it's created by diamond polishing. Every case and bezel are polished for hours until a Rolex bracelet isn't stamped from thin metal. Every link is precision machined from solid oyster steel, polished to perfection. These tiny gears decide whether a Rolex keeps perfect time. Each microscopic gear is machined with incredible precision, where this tiny spring is the heartbeat of every Rolex. The parachrome hairspring, balance wheel, and synthetic ruby jewels work together. Thousands of microscopic parts now come together. When the balance wheel starts oscillating for the very first time, the Rolex movement finally comes to life. The dial is the face of every Rolex. Precision-crafted markers, luminous hands, and flawless finishing ensure perfect readability. While this crystal is harder than almost every natural material. Diamond polishing creates Rolex's scratch-resistant sapphire glass, while the famous Cyclops lens magnifies. This tiny crown protects the entire watch. Multiple precision seals and threaded engineering keep water and dust out, making every... After hundreds of precision steps, every component finally comes together. The moment the second hand begins its smooth sweep. Can this watch stay accurate for decades? Advanced chronometer sting measures every second of performance, ensuring every Rolex. A luxury watch isn't complete until it defeats water pressure. Every Rolex is tested to ensure its oyster case performs. Nothing escapes this final inspection. Every surface, every reflection, and every tiny detail is examined before a Rolex. After passing thousands of precision checks, each Rolex is carefully protected, certified, and prepared to begin its journey from Switzerland to collectors. From a precision Swiss workshop to collectors across the globe, every Rolex completes a journey built on security, craftsmanship, and behind every Rolex is a journey of precision, innovation, and human craftsmanship, transforming countless details.